Hello, today we'll learn to install TIA Portal. First, I've prepared two download links for you. We'll need to download two programs. One is TIA Portal Step 7 Professional, and the other is WinCC Unified. I'll be using version v19 for both of these software. Here, you will access the first link, and you will see the DVD1 setup section, and you will click on this TIA Portal setup link to download the software. When you download, the home page will require you to log in. So you will create an account on Siemens, log in, and download. Click on this link to download. Next, at the second link, I will download the Siemens WinCC Unified software. You will scroll to the WinCC Unified Runtime v19 section, and you will download the Siemens WinCC Unified v19.iso software. Okay, you will need to download and install these two programs. To save you time, I've already downloaded the two software programs we'll need. So now, let's just go ahead and start the installation. Here I've downloaded two programs, including this steps. So this is the file when you download it. It will be a TIA Portal Step 7 file with an ISO file extension. And you will have to extract it. You will right-click, and I will select Extract here to extract this software here. Similarly, for the WinCC software, you'll also download a file like this, Siemens WinCC Unified v19. Then, you'll right-click and select Extract here. After you finish extracting, I will start the installation. You will select this Start file. You will click on this Start file to begin the installation process. Click Yes. Then our installation process will begin. So here the software requires that you restart the computer. So I will click Yes to restart the computer. After Windows starts, the software automatically opens the installation window. Select English. Next. In the next step, please click the Next button, and next is the installation information. Click the Next button again. And after clicking the Next button, this is where you will select the installation parameters. I will install Siemens Step 7 Professional and Step 7 Safety. Siemens WinCC Basic, Comfort, Advanced here. I'll use the defaults. And after you have selected the default parameters, please click the Next button. You can also select a custom installation path. I'll stick with the default path in C. Program Files, Siemens Automation, and then click Next. Okay. Next, there will be two options for you to agree to the conditions. So you click the button, I accept all conditions of the license. Confirm, then click Next. And next, please click Next. Additionally, there will be an option here to select the software update server configuration here. I will choose the default and click the Next button. After you click the Next button, a security control window will appear. Here you will select I accept and click the Next button. Review, and if correct, install. After you click the Install button, our installation process will begin. This installation process will be fast or slow depending on the computer and its configuration. For my computer, the estimated installation time will be around 32 minutes. Estimated time remaining, 32 minutes. Now, you just need to wait for the current software installation to finish. Afterwards, we will proceed with installing the WinCC Unified software. After the installation is successful, a window will appear with a notification that says, Setup has successfully completed, and your computer must be rebooted. Do you want to do this right now? Yes. Now I will select the option, yes. Restart my computer now, and you will click the restart button. After the step 7 professional software is installed, we will then install WinCC. Here I have also prepared and downloaded a file, which is Somatic V19 with an ISO extension. And now I have extracted it. And this is my extracted file. I will run this start file. You will double click on this start file. After you double click on the start file, the startup process will begin. And after restarting, the installation process will continue. And now I will wait for the startup process to complete. This WinCC Unified software is a new software developed by Siemens to be compatible with web platforms to make it easier for you to program with the SCADA system. And with this WinCC Unified, you can fully use JavaScript to program and complete the program quickly and simply. Okay, the Somatic WinCC Unified PC setup screen is here. The first step is similar. You'll select the installation language, and I will choose English. You will select the installation language as English and press the next button. Next, it will show you some installation parameters. Here it says, pre-select the product features you want to install. I will install all the software in WinCC Unified PC by default, and the memory requirement is to have 606 MB and 1.2 GB of free memory. So, you will need 1.2 GB of memory or more. Next, select the target directory. Here, I will leave the default, which is the C drive, and then click Next. Next, I will click the Next button. You click the Next button again, OK. Click Next, and continue to click Next. Continuing here, I will uncheck the Activate Secure Download box, then click the Accept button to complete the process. After you finish the security setup, I will continue to select I accept all conditions, and I hereby confirm that I have read and understand the security information. Then click the Next button. Review this. Accept. Then click Next. Finally, it will show an overview table so you can track the software and items you have set up in this WinCC Unified. Now, after you confirm, press the Install button to begin the installation. Okay, this installation process will take about 22 minutes. Depending on your computer's configuration and memory, this process can be faster or slower. On my computer, it will take about 20 minutes. Well, in 20 minutes, after the installation process is finished, I will start the Siemens programming process. Next, the license transfer section will appear here. Click on Skip License Transfer. After you click on Skip License Transfer, our installation process will continue. This process will take about 5 more minutes to finish. Our installation is complete. Here, select Yes. Restart my computer now. And click the Restart button to restart the computer. Now that we've installed Step 7 Professional and WinCC Unified, let's install PLC Sim. You will right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract here to extract the file. After you finish extracting, I will now click the Start button to begin the installation process. After you click the Start button, the startup process will begin. This startup process takes about 30 seconds. The startup process will begin in 30 seconds. For the S7 1200 PLC series, we will use this PLC Sim software to simulate without using a real PLC. For the S7 1500 PLC series, in addition to PLC Sim, We also have PLC Sim Advanced. Advanced only simulates the S7 1500. For the 1200, use this one. Okay, after opening it, we will select the installation language. After you select English, you will click the next button. And here, the requirement will be 752 MB. You will need to have 752 MB of free space for the installation. This is the path. I will leave the default path then. Click the next button. Accept. Then next. Review your selections. Then install. The PLC Sim software installs faster. In about 14 minutes. You will wait for 14 minutes for the installation process to finish. We have successfully installed TIA Portal v19, PLC Sim, and WinCC Unified software, and now we can use them.